Hello, this is Diego. Today, I would like to talk about my brand new website, which is called Voxer Cave. Here, our Voxer Cave is a platform for selling 3D models, which are mainly low-poly voxel style, which are really suitable for game development or animation projects. It is a website where 3D artists can register and sign up as a seller and can start selling their masterpieces. For end users, they can browse 3D models to use in their projects. For example, suppose that you want to be our customer and you want to buy something for your indie game project. On homepage, you can see those best-selling 3D models which you can purchase them right now and start them using in your project. While you're browsing, you can speed at the process by sorting them by price or rating. Let's say that currently you want to use your budget effectively for the project and you might want to see the cheapest versions first. You can easily do that by sorting the list by price. And now you can have the list from the lowest price to the highest price. It is based on the final price, which is after discount. Or else you can sort the list by rating and you will see the items starting with most stars in the list. In any given time, if you wish to see only 3D models which are on sale, you can toggle this discount checkbox. You're going to have the list of only products with a discount. Or if you wish to see the products only related to the particular category or type, you can do so by clicking one of the categories here. Let's choose the vehicle category. For example, you will only see the items only related to the category, which is vehicle. Also, options like sorting or filtering for discount work with even focusing on one particular category. Or if you want to narrow down your searches with keywords, you can enter your keyword in the search bar and then it will reflect what you typed. Let's see what we have about QUT. Still, these options will work with search function too. However, if you try to search something and if there is no result, nothing will be shown. After that, you can buy anything you want by clicking the cart icon and you can access your wish list by clicking the cart icon in the navigation bar. Currently, our shopping cart is empty, so let's try to add some. If you are not sure what you're buying and you wish to know more, you can click the item itself to see more about it. It has other details like artist name or description. So from this page, you can also add the current item to the cart by clicking Add to Cart. And then you can view your shopping summary on the shopping cart page. Along with items in the shopping cart, it will show to the cost of your purchase and the amount you save from the sales. If you have anything that you wish to remove, simply click Remove Item. Since our products are digital, you cannot add the same item to the cart again. If you're trying to add, the error message will be shown. Or you can clear your shopping cart everything by click Removing All Items. It will show you a warning, and if you still wish to proceed, click Remove. After doing that, our shopping cart will be empty again. So let's buy one or two more items for real now. Search QUT and add items in the cart, And let's proceed to checkout. In this checkout form, you need to fill out your information, and all of the fields are mandatory. And then we need your phone number or email address because we need to contact you. If you finish everything, double check your details and make sure that your email is in a valid format. If you feel satisfied, click Confirm. After filling the checkout form, our team will contact you within 3 business days to send your download links. Again, thank you for choosing Frontend. I will see you in the next video.